Assalamu alaikum viewers, with the Media College, your host Muhammad Usman. In this video, you can learn how to create subsurface skin in After Effects. So let's start. First of all, import your video in the After Effects and right click on it and apply the effect Mocha Pro. If you don't have Mocha Pro, you can also use the track in Mocha AE. So apply the Mocha Pro and click on Mocha to open the interface. Okay. Now select the area which you want to track. Okay. Go to first frame and now start the tracking. It will take a few minutes. Okay, I stop the video, stop the tracking. After the tracking video, go to layer control and rename layer to face. Okay, now click on align surface. Okay, and save the data, and you can also export data tracking by copy paste. Okay, now import your footage here for subsurface like this. Okay, change the mood to multiply. Okay, okay, now create new solid layer and rename to noise and choose color to white. Apply the effect fractal noise. Okay, go to fractal type and change it to dynamic and change the evolution and change the scale. Okay, now select the veins layer and disable and disable also noise layer. Select the noise layer and select pen tool and create mask on the face. Okay, now expand properties, go to mask property and increase the mask feature to 120. Oh, set the mask feature to 40. Okay, now select the winds and right click recompose. Okay, now double click on layer and create new solid, change color to white, drop down to okay. Now change to multiply and change the noise matte to luma matte. Okay, now select both layers, go to pre-comp. Okay, double click to open and create here new solid and change color to black. Drop down, go back. Okay, now change mode to color dodge. Okay, apply the effect if curve. Okay, select channel red and change the value like this, blue like this, and green like this. Okay, now select your video and go to properties of Mocha Pro, go to tracking data and click on create track data. Okay, now select face and press OK, and now go to export option and select corner pin sport motion blur and select the layer recomposition. Okay, and click on apply export. Okay, okay, so change the positions. Okay, now you can see it's done. If you like my video, so like video and share and comment and feel free to ask questions in comment section. Thanks for watching and also subscribe my YouTube channel.